In this video I will show you how to use the ratchet. One end of the ratchet has this strap connected to it. The other end of the strap goes into the ratchet from here and comes out from here. Now in Wolfguard, this piece has a stopper so that it can never go right through, it always stays here. Now this button is very important to be able to open and close the ratchet. You need to push it up and open. Same way, if you want to close it, you need to pull it, push it and close it. Now to tighten Wolfguard, you'll open the ratchet, you'll pull this strap right as far as you can, as tight as you can. You'll close the ratchet and then you'll start to tighten it. Now to loosen the ratchet, you'll press this button in, open the ratchet and simply pull from this end. You might have to press the button a few times and just pull it out. And there we go, it comes out. But in Wolfguard this shouldn't come out because of the stopper. And that's how you use a ratchet.